Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, how are you?
I am fine, Mr. John. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার, ভালো আছেন?
Alhamdulillah.
There is a person named
Yes sir,
1696.
1696
He
Sabir.
is sir, maybe sir smaller. He is sir not from our class.
Sir,
Sabbir.
I think he is a junior.
Sabbir.
He is junior, maybe.
Is it Sabbir name?
Yes, sir. Sir, he's gone.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, will you give the results of our assignments?
No, sir. So let's practice. Today we are going to practice first punctuation and capitalization. Okay. Mr. Madri Hiranmoy. Mr. John, can you see the question?
Sir, I can see the questions.
Yes, sir, we can see the question.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Any friend named Arikul Islam? Arikul Islam.
আল্লাহ একটু অন্তত ভালোভাবে দে।
Can be mute.
Do you have anybody named Arikul Islam?
Sir,
No,
what?
Sir,
Double
it
one,
may
two,
be
seven,
Arik Adnin.
11278. Is this his
No,
role?
sir, no, sir.
No, sir, definitely not.
Okay. Some students are there, they just finding the link they try to enter without seeing the routine. You must see the routine, then you join the class. It is not possible for me to go to each and every section and to tell them again that this is the time you join. My job is to give the link. That's it. You will see the routine, then you will join. This is a big problem, especially with the junior wing. The moment you finish your writing, please inform me. Mr. Himadri Hiranmoy,
Yes, sir.
can you see the whiteboard, Himadri?
Yes, sir, I can.
Sir, I have finished. Sir, shall I tell the answer?
Wait. Mr. Himadri, Mr. John,
Yes, sir.
have you finished?
Yes, sir. Something left. So I need, sir, 30 seconds around. So I think I have finished.
এটা কেমন প্রশ্ন?
মনে হইতেছে শেষ করছি, ভুল হইতে পারে আমার এই জন্য।
তানভীর ও তো স্টেটমেন্ট বলছে, প্রশ্ন তো বলে নাই।
ঘুরাই পেঁচাই একই আসে।
Okay, Mr. Sifat.
Yes, sir.
Answer the question, please.
He said to me, comma, inverted comma or quotation mark closed, I am very sorry to trouble you,
Started.
comma,
Quotation mark
Quotation-
started.
I am very sorry to trouble you, comma, but I shall be very much obliged if you will kindly lend me your dictionary, full stop, quotation mark closed, quotation mark start, I shall be very glad to be of service to you, comma, and you are welcome to any of my books that you think of use to you, comma, inverted comma close, said I, full stop.
I is
Sir,
capital.
I didn't. Yes, sir. All of the I's are capital.
So let's see the answer. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. Mr. John, can you read the answer?
Sir, I will read the answer.
Yes.
Okay, sir. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, I am very sorry to trouble you, comma, but I, capital letter, shall be much obliged, but if
Obliged.
you, kindly lend me your dictionary. Full stop, inverted comma. Again inverted comma, I capital letter shall be glad to be of service to you, comma, and you are welcome to any of my books that you think of use to you, comma. Inverted comma, say I capital letter. Sir, I have one mistake here.
Great.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
do another punctuation and capitalization.
Okay, sir.
Here we go. Did you get it?
Sir, I can see, sir.
Mr. Nuvid Imam, Onindo Pratim,
Yes,
Manav.
sir.
Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Okay, do it.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Sir, what does agitated means?
It will be agitated.
Which one?
Sir,
Sir,
agitated means furious, isn't it?
Right. Curious.
okay, sir.
Sir, furious in a more.
With more intense. With more
Yes, sir,
intensity.
more intensity.
If finished, please let me know.
Sir, I have finished.
Only Sifat is responding. What about Mr. Fidwat Samir, Akib Zaman, Wahidur Rahman,
Yes, sir.
Ibnul, Rayyan?
Sir, I have finished too.
Yes, sir, I finished.
But you have to respond. Only John and Sifat, they are telling.
Sir, I have also finished.
Okay, Fidwat Samir, can you give us your answer?
Yes, sir. Soon, S capital letter, comma. After the accident, a lot of people from the neighborhood rushed to the spot, but the killer truck managed to escape in the meantime, finding the victim dead and lying in a pool of blood, comma. People became agitated, full stop. Consequently, comma, the traffic in the road stopped for several hours, full stop.
You missed some capital letters, Fidwat Samir. Okay, let's see the answer. So here we go. Mr. Nubid Imam, can you read the answer so that your friends can correct themselves properly?
Yes, sir, I can. Yes, sir, I can.
Read.
Soon after the accident, comma, a lot of people from the neighborhood rushed to the spot, comma, but the killer truck managed to escape in the meantime, full stop. Finding the victim dead and lying in a pool of blood, comma, people became agitated, full stop. Consequently, comma, the traffic in the road stopped for several hours, full stop.
Now,
Sir, consequently can be a synonym of therefore, isn't it?
yes, sir. So now we are going to do some voice change, okay? Problem is, so
Sir, voice.
right.
Sir, the first one indicates it is a voice.
Right.
Sir, I have finished my writing.
Mr. Anindo Pratim,
Yes, sir.
where is Mr. Vishal Bishas, Labib Khan? Labib is very irregular. All right. Who is the captain now of your class? Mubid Imam,
Sir, Wahid.
Mr. Wahid. Okay, let's begin with Mr. Wahid. Mr. Wahid, can you answer these questions?
Yes, sir. Voice A. The mango tastes sour. The answer is the mango is tasted sour.
Keep going.
Question number B. Do you know him? The answer is he known to you? Question number C. Do not laugh at the poor. Let not the poor be laughed at. Question number D. Buy me a shirt. The answer is let a shirt be bought for me. Question number E. Pluck me a flower. The answer is let a flower be plucked for me. Question number F. Take care of your health. Care should be taken of your health. Question number G. Rome was not built in a day. The answer is the Romans did not build Roman in a day.
Okay, wait, Mr. Wahid. Now,
Sir,
Mr.
F number.
I know, there
Sir,
are
F.
some problems. I will tell you the answer, then you can see and you can judge your answer. Okay. I am not telling whether all the statements he gave, these are right, or I am not telling all these are wrong. I will give you the answer. But let me see some of the performances made by Mr. Shafin Rahman, 14462. Mr. Shafin Rahman, can you finish this? Up to, you start from H. Mr. Shafin Rahman, start from H. See, there are some people, even when I ask them to speak, they don't.
Sir, may I answer?
No, I want some new people, because sometimes guardians say that you keep asking the questions to some fixed students. The problem is when I give the opportunity to others, they don't, maximum of them, they don't reply, or even if they reply, they take a lot of time. But I have a very short range of time. I have to finish this time, finish everything within this range.
May I tell?
Mr. Akib Jaman or
Sir,
who
may I
wants?
tell?
Araf has mine. Yes, please. You finish this from H to L.
H. The important materials are contained in the parcel. Number I. To whom are you known here? J. He pleased us. We are pleased with him. K. One should keep one's promise. One's promise should be kept. L. Someone has stolen my purse. My purse has been stolen by someone.
Very good. It seems to me that you have done your job successfully. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the answer. People are trying to join now. This is the time to join.
Sir, what will be the answer of number G?
I have given all the answers. Mr. Himadri, can you read the answer?
Sir, can you review the B number?
sir.
Do you know
I
him?
can.
Am I known to you? Sir, it seems a little problematic.
Do you
Sir,
know
A
him?
number.
He is known to
The
you.
mango tastes sour. The mango is sour when it's tasted. Number B. Do you know him? Answer, is he known to you?
Yes. Is this right?
Number C. Do not laugh at the poor. Let the poor not be laughed at. Number D. Buy me a shirt. Answer. Let a shirt be bought for me. E number. Pluck me a flower. Answer. Let a flower be plucked for me. Number F. Take care of your health. Answer. Let your health be taken care of. Number G. Rome was not built in a day. Answer. The Romans did not build Rome in a day. Number H. The parcel contains important materials. Answer. The important materials are contained in the parcel. Number I. Who knows you here? Answer. To whom are you known here? Number H. He pleased us. Answer. We were pleased with him. Number K. One should keep one's promise. Answer. A promise should be kept. Number I. Someone has stolen my purse. Answer. My purse has been stolen. So do we have to add by someone at the end of I number? My purse has been stolen by someone.
Oh, I think one answer is still left, am I right?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving the answer. Wait. What was the question?
So someone has stolen my purse. Should I use by someone at the end of the answer?
My purse has been stolen. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in K number, a promise should be kept, sir. So when the active voice is keep a promise, then sir we use that a promise should be kept. But here, sir, one should keep one's promise. Then we are using the same passive voice.
One should keep one's promise. A promise should be kept. Yes. In this answer, the subject is hidden. Am I right? That means a promise should be kept by someone. That's why it is given. Now, some more voice changes. Do it, please.
Sir, active to passive.
If you get the statement passive, you will make it active. If you get the statement active, you will make it passive. Clear, Mr. Sifat?
Yes, sir, I am.
Sir, I have finished.
Shall we begin?
Sir, I have finished my writing.
Okay. Akib Jaman. Can you answer this, Akib Jaman? Akib Jaman. Can you answer the questions? Alvi bola, Mr. Alvi.
Yes, sir. A. J. I was obliged to go. K. The cow is being milked. L. The book is being printed. M. Let never a lie be told. N. You are requested to do the work.
So let's see
Sir,
the
I have
answer.
told.
So let's see the answer. Mr.
Sir,
Sifat,
can
can you
we
read
write
it?
your
Voice J. Circumstances obliged me to go. Answer passive voice. I was obliged to go.
Just read the
K.
answer.
The cow the cow is being milked. The book is being printed. Let never a lie be told. You are requested to do the work.
Okay. Any question?
sir? Can we write you are forbidden to tell a lie?
No, you can't change it. Okay. So that's for today. This is goodbye. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.